Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code this and how to fix it. Will cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step on understanding error code of content error code of in Grand Theft Auto. This is a network-related issue that primarily indicates the problem with the game client's ability to connect to the Rockstar Games servers. This error typically occurs when attempting to load into online connect to game services or during login, suggesting that the game is failing to establish or maintain a stable and authorized connection with the online infrastructure. It does not usually signify a problem with your game files themselves, but rather an obstruction or failure in the communication halfway between your system and the game's servers, which can stem from various sources ranging from local internet issues to server-side problems or network configuration conflicts. Step: check your internet connection and router. Content: the first and most fundamental step to troubleshooting error code is to ensure your internet connection is stable and functioning correctly. Verify that other applications, websites, or online games on your device can access the internet without issue. A common fix for transit network glitches is to perform a power cycle on your router and modem. Unplug both devices from their power sources for at least seconds. Then plug them back in, allowing them a few minutes to fully restart and re-establish their connection. If you are using a Wi-Fi connection, try connecting your core console directly to your router using an Ethernet cable to rule out any wireless interference or instability. Step: verify Rockstar Games Services status. Content error code can frequently be caused by issues on Rockstar Games and rather than your own. Before proceeding with more complex troubleshooting, it is crucial to check the official Rockstar Games Service status page. Navigate to Support Rockstar Games Services status and look for the status of the event online specifically for your platform. PlayStation, Xbox. If the servers are experiencing outages, maintenance, or limited functionality, the status page will reflect this, indicating that you will need to wait for Rockstar to resolve the issue before you can connect. Checking this page can save significant time on unnecessary local troubleshooting.
Step to troubleshoot your network configuration. Firewall content: your local network configuration can often be the source of connection problems. Consider changing your servers to public ones like Google and or Cloudflare and however, as this can sometimes improve routing efficiency and resolve connection issues. Additionally, your firewall or antivirus software might be inadvertently blocking this connection to the internet. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software to see if this resolves the error. If it does, ensure you add the Rockstar Games Launcher to your security software's exception list to prevent future conflicts. Step: repair game files and reinstall Rockstar Games Launcher content. If network checks and service status verifications don't resolve the issue, the problem might lie with the game's installation or the launcher itself. Use your respective game platform's functionality to verify the integrity of your data. The game files. The verify integrity of game files on Steam, scan and repair on Epic Games Launcher or similar options within the Rockstar Games Launcher. Corrupted files can sometimes interfere with proper server communication. If verification doesn't help, consider uninstalling and reinstalling the Rockstar Games Launcher itself. Download the latest version directly from Rockstar's official website to ensure all its components are up to date and correctly configured, as a faulty launcher installation can often prevent the game from connecting.